Assalamualaikum, everyone. Now that Eid is over, we're diving into a focused 20-day period of time where we'll be following a healthy, structured diet plan. This isn't a crash diet, rather, it's a sustainable, nourishing approach that can help you lose anywhere between 4 to 6 kilograms, yes, in just 20 days. It's not a full month, but with consistency and care, you can still achieve a noticeable transformation. Before we begin, a quick disclaimer. If you have any medical conditions, or if you've had negative experiences with online diet plans in the past, please do not follow this one blindly. Instead, consult a qualified dietitian who can guide you personally. If any previous plan has caused you side effects, please skip this one as well. Your health always comes first. Pre-breakfast ritual: empty stomach. Start your day with fennel water. Soak a 1/4 teaspoon fennel seeds in a cup of water overnight. Drink it first thing in the morning without heating or cooling it. Just drink it as is. Breakfast options between 8 o'clock 9 o'clock am. Option 1. Fruit milkshake plus boiled egg plus tea. Take a palm-sized portion of any fruit: banana, mango, apple, strawberries, blueberries, your choice. Blend it with 1 glass of milk without boiling and 1 teaspoon sugar. Add some ice and stevia for extra volume and sweetness. This can make up to 2 glasses without any extra calories. After 15-20 minutes, eat 1 boiled egg. If you're used to tea, you can have a cup with a small amount of milk and 1 teaspoon sugar. Option 2. Eggs and bread. 2 slices of bran bread, sourdough, or multigrain bread. 1 egg with lots of vegetables. Tea with minimal milk and 1 teaspoon sugar. Option 3. Lighter version. 1 slice of bran bread, 1 whole egg plus 1 egg white with lots of veggies. Tea with half milk and half water. 1 teaspoon sugar. Option 4. Oats or barley porridge. 4 tablespoons of oats or barley, cooked in water. Add 200 milliliters low-fat milk. Optional. Sweeten with stevia. Add 5-6 almonds or 1-2 walnuts. If you're abroad and have access to berries, you can add those too. After 15-20 minutes, enjoy a cup of tea. Mid-morning snack between 11 o'clock 12 o'clock p.m. 2-3 thin slices of fresh coconut or 1 glass of coconut water, highly recommended in this heat, or 2-3 glasses of falsa sherbet with black salt and stevia, not sugar, or 250 grams of fruit, yes, mango, banana, grapes, all allowed, but only 2-5 OG. Lunch between 1 o'clock 2 o'clock p.m. Option 1. Salad plus protein. Raw vegetables plus 1 handful of boiled chickpeas, 1 handful of corn and red beans. Option 2. Dahi bale yogurt with lentil dumplings. 3/4 cup yogurt unsweetened. A half cup soaked, puffed dumplings, approx. 125 grams after soaking. Lots of raw vegetables, no potatoes. Option 3. Yogurt plus vegetables plus roti. Half a whole wheat roti with 10 tablespoons of yogurt and lots of vegetables mixed in. Option 4. Kebabs plus yogurt. 2-3 homemade kebabs plus a half cup of plain yogurt as rated.
Evening snack between 5 o'clock to 6 p.m. 1 glass of milk if not taken in breakfast, or 1 peach if you had milkshake earlier, or 1 handful or 1/2 cup roasted chickpeas eaten slowly, or 3-2 for dates with green tea or tea without sugar, or if extremely hot, just green tea. Detox drink between 6:30 to 7 p.m. Mix 2 tsp of asparagale psyllium husk in a glass of lukewarm water. Drink it. Follow up with another glass of plain water. Dinner between 7 o'clock to 8 p.m. You get to eat roti or rice, half a roti or 10 tablespoons of rice. 1 cup of curry with no potatoes. Include 1 piece of meat from Eid Qurbani meat, mutton or beef, but just 1 piece per day. Add vegetables or lentils to the curry. If it's biryani, stick to 10 tablespoons of rice and 1 to 2 pieces of chicken or 1 piece of red meat. Always include a side of fresh salad. Sweet tooth. Optional adjustment. If you're craving dessert, swap your 5 to 6 p.m. snack with 2 tablespoons 6 tsp of dessert, like kheer or sevian. One last crucial tip: too much oil in food equals no weight loss. Even if you skim off the top layer, The meat, especially beef, mutton, absorbs a lot of oil, so eat food cooked with minimal oil only. This is often the biggest reason people don't lose weight post-Eid. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to ask in the comments. I'll do my best to respond. Thank you and best of luck. Let's make these 20 days count and feel lighter, healthier, and more energetic. Physical activity is key to make this diet work. Walking is a must. Aim for 40 minutes to 1 hour of walking every day. Can't walk all at once. Split it. 30 minutes before breakfast and 30 minutes before dinner. Walking before meals helps with fat loss, not just digestion. If you're only walking after meals, you're aiding digestion, not losing fat. If digestion is your concern, then a 15 to 20 minute slow walk after eating is okay, but don't count it as your main exercise.